Mi hanno detto che a respirare si impara presto e così naturale. Mi hanno detto che puoi respirare ogni secondo, non ci devi pensare. Oggi invece posso dirti che non è vero.
In the heart of Sardinia, Italy, lies a magical town where time seems to stand still, Bosa. Nestled along the banks of the Temo River, this picturesque gem enchants visitors with its pastel-coloured houses, winding streets, and the majestic castle perched high above. Bosa is a place where history whispers through every corner, where nature and culture blend seamlessly into a storybook setting. Are you ready to lose yourself in its charm and uncover its secrets? Join us as we take you on an unforgettable journey through Bosa. Bosa's story stretches back to the time of the Phoenicians. Later, during the Roman Empire, it grew in prominence as a hub of trade and defense. In the 12th century, the Malaspina family built the Sardinia Castle on a hill overlooking the town, a fortress designed to protect Bosa from pirate attacks. This castle remains one of Bosa's most iconic landmarks and a testament to its rich history. Over the centuries, Bosa evolved into an important cultural and economic centre for Sardinia. Today, it continues to charm visitors with its well-preserved historical architecture and vibrant traditions. Bosa's most striking feature is its colourful hillside houses. The Sarcosta district, with its narrow cobblestone streets, ancient doorways, and flower-filled balconies, looks like it was painted from an artist's palette. Every house tells a story, a glimpse into the town's history and soul. Atop the hill, Sardinia Castle proudly watches over the town. Built in the 12th century, this fortress offers breathtaking panoramic views of Bosa and the surrounding countryside. Inside the castle, a small chapel adorned with medieval frescoes provides a fascinating peek into its storied past. The Temo River, Sardinia's only navigable river, winds gracefully through the town, adding to its serene charm. Along the riverbanks, historic fishermen's houses reflect Bosa's maritime heritage and timeless allure. Bosa is renowned for its traditional crafts, especially the filet di Bosa, a lace-making technique passed down through generations. These intricate handmade pieces can still be found in local workshops and markets, a living testament to the town's artistic spirit. Bosa is also celebrated for its wine culture, particularly the local Malvasia wine. Sweet and aromatic, this wine pairs perfectly with Sardinian desserts and carries the warmth of the island's sun in every sip. Bosa is not just about history and culture, it's also a gateway to breathtaking natural beauty. Nearby Bosa Marina offers golden sandy beaches and crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming and relaxation. The surrounding hills and valleys are ideal for hiking and exploring, with trails starting from Sardinia Castle and leading into Sardinia's wild landscapes. Bosa's cuisine is a reflection of Sardinia's rich gastronomic heritage. Fresh seafood dishes, such as pasta with botarga, cured fish roe, are a must-try. Traditional Sardinian dishes like roast pork and lamb are also popular in the town's cozy historic taverns. For dessert, don't miss cedars, honey-drizzled pastry filled with cheese, a delightful combination of sweet and savory. Paired with a glass of Malvasia wine, it's the perfect way to savor the flavors of Bosa. Bosa comes alive during its vibrant festivals. The Carnival of Bosa, held in February, fills the streets with colorful costumes, masks, and joyous celebrations. This lively event highlights the town's rich cultural heritage and offers visitors a taste of its festive spirit. In the summer, the Malvasia Wine Festival celebrates the region's famed wine with tastings, music, and dancing, creating an atmosphere of pure Sardinian joy. Bosa is more than just a town, it's a timeless treasure where history, culture and nature come together in perfect harmony. Its colorful houses, ancient castles, tranquil river, and warm hospitality make it a destination that leaves an indelible mark on the hearts of all who visit. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the magical town of Bosa. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, Savvy Voyages, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and we'll see you on our next journey.